Lydia.
We're gonna do the best friend tag today. Yeah. So, how and when did we meet? Going hard, like.
Oh my god. Oh, we were in the same friend group, but we didn't talk.
Yeah.
That's actually how we met each other.
Yeah, like
we have mutual friends.
Because I thought you were so quiet, and I just thought I would never get along with you. So, well, we.
What's something that annoys you about the other person?
Oh no, I don't want to do this.
Okay, I'll ask a different one.
No, I can do it.
I know you can. I'm sure you have a lot.
Let's see. Oh, you always text me okay. I hate when people do that. I'll be like, hey, want to do this? Like, I'm on my way. Like, are you so excited to see me? Okay.
Okay, out of all the things that annoy you about me,
but I don't like when people say K to me at all. So I think it's like
I don't say K.
Well, you say okay.
Okay, anyway.
What 3 movies do I like the most?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, well.
50 Shades of Grey. You haven't seen it, but I know that's one of them.
Mm-hmm. Already.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, what's one that you bought it?
Oh my god, Across the Universe.
Yeah, okay.
And then I don't know.
I don't really have 3 movies. I think it's just like 2.
You only like 2 movies and you haven't seen one of the movies that you liked.
I haven't seen it, but we're gonna see it.
Is your best friend allergic to anything?
No.
I am.
No, yes you are, because you have allergies all the time.
No, it's not because I have allergies.
What?
A fire ant.
Oh, I knew that!
Do I believe in ghosts?
Yeah, you do.
I do.
You do. We talked about this even last night because we were watching some paranormal. We were watching Joe Thatcher. We were watching his channel, and it was a paranormal activity video, and it was so freaking awesome. We'll link it below, but it's really cool. You guys should check it out. Ooh, okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee. You love coffee.
Okay, well.
Did you just hear me swallow?
Yeah, I did. That's really.
That was a really loud swallow.
It's like.